For you guys know, for me, I normally ride solo. Most of my videos, I'm by myself doing my own thing, but decided to switch it up a little bit today. Decided to do a meetup. This is a meetup that was organized by FMLR, or Florida Motor Riders, which is a local group here in Central Florida. Salute to everyone that put that together. Just everything was well organized. Safety was priority, and for me, I definitely appreciate that. So for you guys that don't know, Biketoberfest happens every year. It is a 3-day event normally. Of course, they're gonna have different activities to do, and we'll go over some of what those are. What I've seen here in a little bit. So for me, I kicked the day off, the morning off at the house. I really wanted to get the bike nice and shiny, presentable, so wiped it up, took a couple photos, and I hit the road. So for the ride up to Daytona from Orlando, it's probably about an hour or so depending on traffic. And for the group ride, we had 2 planned meetups. So the first one is going to be at Wawa and Cimarron, and the second one was going to be Daytona. So first meetup spot, got there a little bit early. Couple bikes there, about 20 bikes, some slingshot, Polaris slingshots there. Stay there for a little bit, and then the group got even bigger. By the time we were ready to move out of the first stop, we probably had 100 bikes. Cool thing about this is that AJ from FMLR, he really got everyone together, went over the route plan, the route option, also did a quick prayer for anyone that wanted to partake, and then we got on the road. So the route from there was pretty straightforward. Nice chill ride. Everybody was being safe about it. Some people were getting on it. Took about 40 minutes or so. We made it up to Daytona, which was the meetup spot number 2. Now, when we got to Daytona, it was like a party. The entire parking lot was pretty much full, guys. I'm talking maybe 300 to 400 bikes in Daytona that met up with the already 100. So definitely a larger group. Again, there, if you had to get gas, he topped it off. Walked around a little bit, saw a couple of the new people, the new bikes, different things going on, got a drink or whatever. Then again, grouped everybody up, went over the route plan, did a little prayer, and then we hit it to Daytona Beach. For Daytona Beach, we had two planned stops. The first one was the actual speedway, which is where the NASCAR races take place. In the main parking lot, that's where a lot of the vendors were, a lot of different bikes, activities, food, drinks, and so on and so forth. So parked up and we started walking around. So nice little atmosphere. It was a little bit warm, especially with me with all the gear on. For the most part, I don't like leaving my gear around. So I had my jacket on, helmet in my hand, hat on to kind of get the sun out of my face. But for the most part, they had some cool things. They had demo rides. We stopped by the Suzuki tent for a little bit, kind of see what they had going on. Checked out the Busa, check out some of their new additions, and they did have demo rides going, but we just didn't have the time. Took a couple pictures, check out a couple bikes, and then we walked around a little bit. These kind of events, they're gonna jack the prices up on everything. A bottle of water was $7, and you think, oh, that's high, let me walk to another stall. That was $8. So definitely I recommend just either bringing your own water, either in your backpack, or when you need water or food or whatever, go across the street, go to the gas station, go to any other store that's not inside that area and buy what you need to and come back if you need to. So after seeing some of the different things, we decided to go out and get something to eat, and this is when things went left. So while looking for a parking spot, we noticed that there was a big fireball in the cloud, guys. And I'm not even exaggerating. The video right here showing what we saw, but that was a lot bigger before we got there. So it was a big mushroom cloud, and this motorcycle was on fire. I'm talking about engulfed in flames. So there was plenty of people there to help the rider get off. He looked like he slammed into a vehicle, and then the motorcycle caught fire. So definitely wishing him a speedy recovery. So after that, that kind of brought down the mood a little bit. So we decided that this is where day one's going to end. So we ended up just going, getting something to eat in the restaurant that we were at, and then gun it back home. So chill ride back home, kind of broke off from the rest of the group. And two guys that I rode back with, I'll go ahead and put their IG on the video right now if you want to go ahead and check them out. Also check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Cycle Vibes or Cycle_Vibes. So overall, I had a good experience. I wanted to go back to check out Main Street at the nighttime, but didn't really want to go back out, and then I had other things planned. So I definitely want to check it out next year. Next year I am going to plan a little bit better. Definitely want to check out some of those demo rides from different manufacturers and try to get some more content for you. So if you're new, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.